actual roles and responsibility involved with agile portfolio management really depend on your organization. And also at this moment in time. It's very hard to say, well, it's very simple, this is just a drawing, this is a blueprint, just use it. It really depends on your situation. However, it does make sense to think about strategic roles, tactical roles, and operational roles. Often you see for the operational, the product owner being in place, the person guiding his or her teams in actually deliver sprint after sprint and PI after PI. Often, let's say, on the tactical level, you see portfolio managers, you see business owners participating, because they are more looking at what do we need, what's going on in the market. And on the strategic level, you see board of directors acting, you see the management of a company acting, and also having responsibilities over there. However, the most important thing, I believe, is not about roles or responsibility, it's about collaboration. Because strategy finds its existence in the execution. So instead of passing it on, I think the roles on the strategic, tactical, and operational level should work together and should meet, and also involve customers and other stakeholders, because it's all about individuals and interactions. It's not about layers and passing work on to each other. No, it's with a specific viewpoint, sitting on the table, acting from your responsibility and role, but all together trying to work on the strategic, tactical, and the operational level all at once. And how that's done in your organization really depends, and I cannot give the answer, but it's all about the collaboration and making sure that the different roles and responsibilities together decide on what to do now and what to do later.